Are now here at Marikina Polytechnic College, former Marikina Institute of Science and Technology. We are now here to find out what are the reasons of English major students regarding the vocabulary and basic grammar problems. We interviewed English major students and one instructor of Marikina Polytechnic College.
I'm Emerson from major in English, section E. So the first question is English major students nowadays find vocabulary grammar difficult. What do you think is the reason? For me, maybe because when they were in elementary and during the high school, they usually answer even in English subjects such as mathematics and science and social studies. Their teacher allowed them to speak in Filipino, even though the language used in that subject is English. And so they don't master the language. That's it. So number 2, are you one of them who have encountered? I think not really. But I'm not really perfect in grammar. But I have to know what's difficulty in speaking or using the correct grammar of English, because when I was in elementary and in high school, I really practiced speaking in English, and my teachers encouraged us to use the language. That's all.
Okay, so my name is Eva Macianes, BTT grading English, major in English. So I think the reason why students English majors nowadays lack of vocabulary and grammar skills, right, is because they don't read a lot. For me, if you read a lot, you may learn new words, new things, and make use of those grammars. For example, you think that grammar of yours is correct, but when you read things such as books, other studies, it will enhance your vocabulary as well as with the grammar. So I, as an English major, I admit that in terms of grammar skills, I'm still not in the good level of my grammar skills. And actually, I believe that education is a lifelong process, so we have still time to study about it. And for those grammar skills and pronunciation, all I can say is that as English majors, as students, let us read a lot of books for us to enhance our vocabulary as well as with the grammar skills. That's it.
I'm Olivia Sorhana from So I think the reason behind why the new generation English major is considered as less vocabulary and some low grammar, because they are more exposed in some video games. That's why they don't have time studying and reading those novels or any short stories. And I can consider myself as neutral sometimes I admit, sometimes I'm not into it reading books, but I push myself to be more responsible enough as an English major. I need to study hard and to read more stories and novels. So that's the thinking.
I am Russell Tizon from BTTE 3D English major. So, for the first question, for me, the reason why the English majors have difficulty in grammar and vocabulary is that they have limited resources or materials to be used for improving the sense skills. And also, not all materials in these skills are authentic. Some are just fictionalized, so they can't use it in real-life situations. Another is that they are not exposed in the usage of English language because the application of the language is largely confined in the classroom. For the next question, for me, it's a yes, because even though I'm already a third-year English major, I'm still not that fluent in using the language.
My name is Margaret Larson from BTT 3. And my answer to your question is, maybe one of the reasons why English majors have the difficulty in the vocabulary and basic grammar is that they were not thoroughly exposed to the different texts or materials that will enhance their skills and in that language or the English language. And I can say that I am one of them, but nowadays I am doing my best to enhance my skills in the English language.
My name is Maria Cristina M. Goldie from BTTE English majors. So I think the reason why most English majors have difficulty in basic grammar rules or vocabulary, mainly because we aim to fluency, not in accuracy. We are aiming to be fluent in communicating with other people and not in being accurate in communicating. So I am one of those students that experienced some difficulties in basic grammar rules, structures, vocabulary. But as years passed by and I studied different kinds of rules that involves English, and I started to conquer those things or difficulties. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Ramina Tongol, BTTE third year English. So I think the main reason why English majors nowadays find it difficult in vocabulary and basic grammar is that they don't read a lot of books and they don't expose themselves in a lot of reading materials and also watching programs which are using the English language. Also, one of the factors will be the environment. If your environment or the people surrounding you do not influence you in speaking in English, of course, there will be a greater possibility that you will also acquire what they're doing. And also, if you yourself is one of the factors. If you don't practice speaking English, then if you don't practice speaking in English, you will find it difficult, of course, in vocabulary and grammar. And as a follow-up question, if I am one of them, I think the answer is no. But when I was in first year high school, I think yes, because I find it difficult in vocabulary and in speaking.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Marjorie Malangit from BTTE 3.
English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So what do you think are the reasons?
For me, the reason why there is a difficulty in having a vocabulary and grammar especially in English major, since we have multiple intelligence, right? So for me, there are some students who are not good in grammar and vocabulary, and there are some students who are more enjoyable when it comes to having activities, something like that. So for me, it's about what could be a strategy of a teacher. So grammar and vocabulary should be more enjoyable and interesting to the students.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
Okay. Honestly, yes. Of course, I'm not good in grammar because honestly, personally, I am good in some activities. I really wanted to have role play, singing, dancing, acting, and for me, sometimes I felt vocabulary and grammar is sometimes boring. But then, of course, because I wanted to graduate, of course, I find some strategy for me to understand grammar and vocabulary in an easy way.
So I am John Gerald B. Barameta from BTT3 English. So what are those reasons that we consider that causes the difficulties of English majors to attain the vocabulary enrichment? So one of the factors is that students are not exposed of using the language because um, as we can see, majority of them, or majority of English majors particularly, were not that used to speaking English because they found it odd by others. And they found it when they commit faults in their speaking, in their way speak the language, if others may find fault unto it, some may mock them, some may laugh at them. So maybe that is one of the reasons why English majors were afraid of bringing out the best of their vocabulary. So that's why. And you're asking also if I am one of them. I don't think so because if you are really confident about your speaking, because someday you will become teachers of that particular language. So if you are going to expose yourself by speaking in that language, you will be confident enough to handle students and to handle that particular language to be delivered to other people also. So that's
My name is Isaac Moyes Veracruz from BTE3E. So for the question, why is it difficult for most English majors in answering or making grammatical sentences? The correct answer would be possibly because they don't have enough foundation of learning grammar. In their high school, they were not taught intensively about grammar. And also, in here in MPC, we don't have any course specifically for learning grammar. That's why I think it is still important, even though we're college students, to make focus on grammar. So if you would ask me, I'm one of those students having a problem in grammar. Maybe no, because I've studied grammar very intensely. In my high school years, we were really taught grammar rigidly by my teachers. So that's it.
So I am Maribel Velasquez. I'm third year, uh, English major. So, what's your question?
Um, Nowadays, English majors find difficulty in vocabulary and basic grammar problems. Why do you think are the reasons?
Uh, maybe they, maybe because English major students are not reading books, and aside from that, they are not using the language more often. So whenever they uh, encounter reading books, those words that are not familiar with them, they have to consult the dictionary for them to understand it. And also, it is because they do not practice speaking the language.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
Not really, because I am fond of reading and also watching English movies, so I tend to practice the language and also to hear it more.
I am Maria Janica Cruz. I am a third year English major. I am 9 years old.
Um, Nowadays, English major students find difficulty in vocabulary and basic grammar problems. Why do you think are the reasons?
I think the main reason is they're not used and they're not reading books. That's why they having problems with vocabulary and grammar.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
Um, Sometimes because uh, I'm I'm third year I'm third year English major, so I'm not that perfect in grammar. So sometimes I meet difficulties, but I read a lot of books to solve that problem, and I often use dictionary.
I am Arvini Domingo of DPT 3 English major.
English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So, what do you think are the reasons?
I think the main reason is lack of attention in their prior schooling, meaning even secondary elementary. Their English skills was not exercised very well by their teachers on the secondary level when they were in high school or possibly even elementary. It's gonna be very hard for them to grasp into the new knowledge of tertiary level English.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
Not necessarily because I find English as my forte, and I have come to love the major itself.
Thank you.
Ayun na. Danilo Carlos Sarong from BDT to English.
English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So, what do you think are the reasons?
Are the reasons talaga? So, they have lots of reasons, but I think one of the greatest reasons why students nowadays find difficulty in grammar and vocabulary is that they spend their time on important things rather than opening their books, studying their references, something like that. They spend their time with computer games and other non-important businesses.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
One of them. I'm not saying that I'm good in grammar, but I'm grammar conscious. So I think I'm not one of those students who found difficulty in grammar, but I'm grammar conscious.
Thank you.
Ronnie Barakia from BTD.
English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So, what do you think are the reasons?
I think the main reason why English majors find difficulty in grammar is they don't have they don't establish their foundation in elementary and secondary years, their grammar and vocabulary. That's why I think that is the reason why.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
Well, actually, uh, I'm not saying that I'm between them, but I think I am also a I can also be good in grammar. I can be also sometimes because mistakes is always in man's actions.
Thank
Hi, I'm Orion Briones from
English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So, what do you think are the reasons?
I think the reasons are they do not have their own initiative to learn many words to add up their vocabularies, and they do not have enough resource to widen their vocabularies and to help them to have a good grammar.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
Well, I cannot say that I'm good in grammar, but I can say that I'm a student which find ways to improve my vocabulary and my grammar by reading books and dictionaries and other resources that can help me.
Hello, my name is Gabriel Samoa from English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So, what do you think are the reasons?
For me, the reason why many students are grammatically wrong is that there are lack in reference books. And aside from that, nowadays there are more things that students think it is more interesting than browsing books like that. And for me, many students get confused in the rules of grammar.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
For me, I can say that I am one of them because even though I am not saying I'm perfect in grammar, because I can construct paragraph sentence that is correct, and I can say that I maintain my grammar by browsing reference and studying the rules of grammar.
So I'm Janine Salvador from BTT.
English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So, what do you think are the reasons?
I think one of the reason why English majors find grammar and vocabulary difficult because they lack to appreciate reading books and they're very conscious with their grammar. They are not confident to speak English, so that's the reason.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
Actually, no, but sometimes every person commit mistake. That the most important is you correct your mistake and you learn from it.
Okay, so I am Ron Joshua Diato from BTT 3D English major. So the question is, what may be the factors that affect vocabulary and grammar, finding it difficult for English majors to face? Well, maybe it's because of the lack of education or lack of reading itself. Because I believe through reading, I believe all English majors know that when we read, we learn more, not just grammar, but also the spelling, the vocabularies. And for me, on my own experience, whenever I read and I find highfalutin words, I always jot them down. Then I will look for them in the dictionary that will help me to understand what I am reading, and maybe that will be something that I could share to other people in order for them to know more about vocabulary or enriching word powers. So if I'm one of them, maybe in terms of words usage, I don't think I'm one of them, but in grammar, maybe I am. But I'm still trying my best. Of course, we're English majors. We should be good in the field that we're specializing. So for me, yeah, that's all.
English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So, what do you think are the reasons?
I think the reasons why English students, although they are already find difficulty with regards to
My name is Richard C. Panwa. I come from 3D English. What is your question?
English major students nowadays find grammar and vocabulary difficult. So, what do you think is the reason?
Um, one of the main one of the main reason why most of the English majors doesn't have an accurate and fluent have a lot of vocabulary used in sentences is because they don't read. They don't read a lot. They don't consume their time in which they could more besides organization of the sentence. The second one is that the grammar they don't practice. They don't practice. Why? Because they're lazy. This laziness causes them to degrade their ability to speak. They should have to practice more. They speak. They are also shy. They think that English is a language only of English. English people, English person. It's not a language of Filipino. That is why they are ashamed and lazy. So they should practice more. Another reason, and lastly is the production. They don't produce. Production is in written, in speaking, also because of listening, we acquire different structure of grammar, structure of words that we incorporate in paragraphs. So that we should do, we have to practice, we have to produce. That's one. Those two are the most important thing that an English major should do for her or to become fluent and accurate in speaking English.
Are you one of them who find it difficult?
Actually, since I am a native Filipino, I can say that mediated. It's mediated. What do you mean by mediated? I am I learned in the classroom 50% language, the Filipino language, and 50% um, English when I was in high school. First year, college, and second year, I learned that. But when third year comes, and I'm 100% English, I can say that I was at one of those right now that has a lack of, for me, has a lack of vocabulary in grammar because I still continue to read. I still continue to develop my cognitive ability and social interactive ability. For I not only to use this ability not to help my students but also as cater other needs.
Vocabulary and grammar. Uh, First, because they are not native speakers of English. They are so much exposed. They are more often exposed in speaking the native language, which is Filipino. They are not interested to practice or to use the language as often as they can, although there are so much opportunities in the classroom. They are not willing. I think those are the things, or those are the reasons why they are still experiencing difficulty with regards to grammar and vocabulary.
Based on based on experience, what are the reasons as a teacher?
Based on my experience. Okay, so honestly speaking, although I'm already teaching for 5 years, I'm still overcoming my weaknesses in terms of vocabulary and grammar. I think the reason why is because I am so much busy with other things. Often have um, I have less time. For example, I don't have enough time to have personal study like reading the dictionary, for example. I don't have that enough time because I have too much things to do every day.
Can you give an advice for those students who find it difficult?
Advices. My advice, of course, is you should have willingness, self-willingness, because if you're not willing and then somebody always tell you to do this thing or study this thing, and but when you're not willing, it's useless. You have to have self-willingness first, right before anything else. And of course, you have to force yourself despite of difficulty because we are born as non-native speaker of English. We have to do our best in order to learn vocabulary and grammar.
According to an interview, the common reason of English major students regarding the vocabulary and basic grammar problems are the following. They are not exposed in reading books and watching movies to enhance their vocabulary. They have no self-discipline to improve in speaking the English language. They have no interest to study more about the language. They have no enough materials such as books, dictionaries, and other reading materials regarding to enhance the language. They were not giving much time on practicing the language. I am Rona Guevara and this is Student's Notebook.